Welcome to the video, guys. My name is Luke Brinton, and I will be showing you how to set up your own customer service voice agents. And this is a pretty cool feature that you can learn with an app called Vapi. Vapi is one of the best in the game when it comes to AI to voice, and it's pretty cool to see. So I'm going to be showing you how to create your first assistant. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Create Assistant, and we have a couple of templates that we can use. Personally, I don't like to use these because they're not really that great. As you can see, I kind of just set up my own agents for my own agency, Holistic Automations. So you have that. Then boom. Now we have our agent, and with our agent, it is super important to make sure that everything is to our liking. So for the first message, I'll have a couple presets of first messages that I have used for my own business. First, we're going to choose this one because this is just something that I really like to basically have a first message just saying, hello, this is Bailey from Holistic Automations. May I ask who am I speaking to today or whatnot? And if you're confused on what the prompts are, I will give you a pretty good way to basically prompt your systems if you're pretty new to this. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to prompt for us. And the cool thing about ChatGPT is that we can upload PDFs so it actually knows what we're talking about. And we're going to look up a voice agent PDF, and yeah, we're going to make a prompt based off this PDF that I already did for my own business. But yeah, cool stuff. Pretty cool. And then one thing to note is that it does not list any examples, which are so important, because if you don't list examples, it's going to sound just so robotic. Please give us some for our agent so it sounds more like a human than a robot. Please. The reason why you want to do this is because, like, this is the agent that you're talking to. So you just want to give it examples because sometimes with these LLMs, they're not really aware of how to talk like a human. They're going to give you a little bit robust answers, as you can see right here. So it's just important to say, hello there, how can I assist you, or whatnot. I think it's just super important and whatnot. So we're going to ask it, this is for questions and answers, so focus on that, please. Alright, so while that's working, I will basically explain to you basically the cost and the latency and why these two things are important. So this platform is paid, oddly enough, and I think it's super important to basically know the right models that you're using with ChatGPT or Claude or whatever language model you or AI you want to use for your business. I personally love to use ChatGPT 4.0 mini cluster because it's the most efficient and it gives out the best latency. And what is latency? So the lower latency it is, the more human-like and the more faster it's going to respond. And for this use case, we want it to sound as human as possible because we don't want a just really robotic conversation. in like certain industries like real estate, you want it to sound a little bit more straightforward and blunt because you want it to just get straight to the point, you know? But for now, we're going to take our prompt that we crafted and we're going to paste this into our bot. So now the agent basically understands what we're asking, and now we're gonna see the magic happen. And I'm also gonna upload the PDF so it is aware of that knowledge base that we initially asked it. And yeah, we're gonna basically do the pleasure of using it for our use cases. And I'll show you a couple of settings that I find really helpful for me. So for model, I do not like to use Nova 2. I like to use Nova phone call because we're talking to our human customer service agent, right? So we want it to sound like a phone call. Then for voices, we're going to basically not use Carstingia, which is pretty popular. We're going to use 11 Labs, which is the best sounding AI platform for voices. And we're going to add a voice ID that I personally liked. And if you're wondering what voice sounds the best, what you can do is you can head over to 11 Labs and pick out your own. So since we're done with that, we're going to talk to our assistant.
Hello, this is Bailey from Holistic Automations. May I ask who I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Hi, this is Luke. I was just wondering, just how can you help me with my business, just using AI?
Great question. At Holistic Automations, we specialize in automation solutions designed to make businesses more efficient and effective. Think of us as your tech-savvy partner who sets up systems to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more important things. Anything specific you're curious about?
Yeah, so basically I was just curious on how to use make.com. I've heard about it being super helpful for businesses and it just automating stuff that people don't want to do. Is this something that's true?
Absolutely. We specialize in AI-powered automation solutions designed to make business processes more efficient. Our aim is to handle repetitive tasks and free up your time for more important things. If you have specific tasks you're looking to automate, feel free to share, and I can provide more details on how we can help.
Yeah, so I'm having some trouble with my CRM. So basically, I'll be dealing with a client, and I'll have to basically show him a presentation, show him all these documents, and I want to automate this process. So it just sends everything, and I don't have to worry about sending him stuff that I forgot to send him.
It sounds like you're looking to automate the process of sending documents and presentations to your clients through your CRM. We can definitely help with that. Our automation solutions can streamline this process, saving you time and ensuring a seamless client experience. Let's discuss further how we can tailor this automation to fit your specific needs.
Great. So do you have any apps that you would recommend using for this?
We primarily use tools like Zapier, Make.com, Airtable, and Slack to create custom automation solutions. We can integrate with a wide range of tools, including specific tool. Need something specific?
Pretty insane with that demo, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Check out this video I did on Strawberry, OpenAI's new advanced feature model, but we'll see you in the next episode.